Ever found yourself lying in bed at night, unable to shake off the worries that seem to multiply in your mind? Today, we're not just starting a video, we're starting a journey to reclaim your peace of mind. I'm thrilled to explore the timeless wisdom of Dale Carnegie's classic, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. If the weight of stress and anxiety has ever pressed on your shoulders, these lessons are tailor-made for you. So, buckle up as we unpack actionable insights that can transform the way you navigate life's challenges. Before we get into it, take a quick second to hit subscribe, ring the bell, and give a thumbs up. Let's make sure you don't miss any of these game-changing insights. Let's dive straight into a reservoir of wisdom that stood the test of time. Lesson 1. Living in day-tight compartments. Instead of dwelling on past mistakes or worrying about the future, focus on making today the best it can be. Let's keep things simple. Imagine your day as a series of separate compartments, like boxes on a shelf. Each compartment represents a part of your day: morning, afternoon, and evening. The idea here is to focus on one compartment at a time. When you're dealing with the tasks or challenges in a particular part of your day, close the door on anything unrelated. This way, you're not carrying the weight of yesterday's problems into today, and you're not borrowing worries from tomorrow. Breaking your day into manageable chunks helps you stay present and tackle things step by step. Lesson 2. The magic formula for solving worry situations. Now, we're delving into Carnegie's no-nonsense approach to kicking worries to the curb. It's like a straightforward 4-step guide, much simpler than pie. Step 1. Identify the problem. Think of it as turning on the spotlight to see what's causing all the fuss in your mind. Shed light on the issue and don't hesitate to call it out. Step 2. Analyze it. This is where you become a bit of a detective, asking, what's really going on here? Break it down, understand the details, and get to the root of the problem. No mystery is too tough for you. Step 3. Figure out what you can do about it. Now that you've got the facts, it's time to brainstorm some solutions. Don't worry about finding the perfect answer. Just come up with ideas that make sense to you. Step 4. Take action. This is the final part. The part where you roll up your sleeves and get to work. Pick one solution, any solution, and give it a try. The key here is not to let worries hang around like unwelcome guests. Confront them head-on and show them the exit. So, let's follow Carnegie's magic formula. Identify, analyze, strategize, and take action. It's your worry-busting routine, and trust me, it's way more effective than any other method you've tried. Lesson 3. What are you grateful for today? Now, we're stepping into a practice that's like a daily dose of sunshine for your soul. It's all about practicing gratitude. Picture it like a gratitude journal, a simple but powerful tool. Each day, take a moment to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It could be big things like landing a new job, or small things like that perfect cup of coffee in the morning. Shifting your focus to the positive aspects of your life can work wonders. It's like adjusting the lens on your camera to capture the good stuff. When you make a habit of recognizing and appreciating the positive, the worries that usually take center stage get pushed to the sidelines. It's not about pretending everything is perfect. It's about acknowledging the good amidst the challenges. So grab your mental magnifying glass and start spotting those moments of gratitude. It's a simple yet effective way to ease worry and bring a sense of contentment to your daily life. Lesson 4. Don't let criticism bother you. Now, we're tackling a lesson that's like having a shield against the arrows of negativity. Think of it as wearing a protective cloak, not to hide but to stand strong amidst different opinions. Understand that not everyone will see eye to eye with you, and guess what? That's perfectly okay. Criticism, whether constructive or not, can be tough to swallow. But here's the deal. Don't let it paralyze you with worry. Instead, treat it as a growth opportunity. Learn from constructive criticism. It's like refining your skills and becoming even better. The key is to keep moving forward. Picture criticism as the wind trying to sway you off course. You might bend a bit, but you won't break. Stay true to your path, learn from the feedback, and use it as fuel for your journey. So, let criticism be the wind beneath your wings, not the storm in your mind. Keep soaring and don't let worries weigh you down. Lesson 5. Cooperate with the inevitable. actionable. Now, let's talk about a mindset shift that's like going with the flow instead of against the current. It's like recognizing that some things are just beyond our control. They're the unchangeable facts of life. Instead of wrestling with worry over things you can't change, try embracing the current of inevitability. Acceptance is the key. Picture it as opening your arms to the circumstances you can't alter. Once you stop pushing against the unchangeable, you free up energy to focus on what you can control. It's like redirecting your efforts to navigate the boat rather than fighting the current. So instead of worrying about the unchangeable, shift your focus to how you can adapt and make the best of the situation. Think of it as being the captain of your ship, steering through the waters of life with resilience and a positive attitude. Embrace the flow, and you'll find that cooperating with the inevitable can lead to smoother sailing. Lesson 6. The high cost of getting even. Now, let's delve into a lesson that's all about lightening your mental load and ditching unnecessary baggage. It's like realizing that holding grudges and seeking revenge is like carrying around a heavy backpack filled with negativity. Not only does it add to your stress, but it also weighs you down on your journey. Picture resentment as a hot coal that you're holding. It burns you more than the person you're mad at. So let go of those resentments. Think of it as dropping that burning coal and giving yourself the gift of peace of mind. Choosing to forgive doesn't mean forgetting or condoning the actions of others. It's about freeing yourself from the toxic cycle of revenge. It's a gift you give to yourself, a way of saying, I value my peace of mind more than holding on to negativity. So, let's unburden ourselves, release those grudges, and make space for a lighter, more peaceful journey ahead. Lesson 7. Find yourself and be yourself. Now, let's talk about a lesson that's like embracing your uniqueness and finding peace in authenticity. Think of it as discovering your own rhythm in a world that sometimes plays a different tune. Embrace who you are, flaws and all. It's like wearing your favorite outfit, no matter the fashion trends. Living authentically is a powerful antidote to the worry of trying to meet unrealistic expectations. It's like saying, I'm me, and that's pretty awesome. Imagine authenticity as a shield that protects you from the arrows of self-doubt. So be genuine, and you'll find more peace. It's not about being a perfect puzzle piece that fits societal expectations. It's about being the unique piece that completes your own puzzle. Let's celebrate our quirks, wear them like badges of honor, and walk the path of authenticity with confidence and peace of mind. Lesson 8. Face the worst-case scenario. Now, let's explore a practical strategy that's like turning on the lights in the room of worry. Imagine it as grabbing a flashlight and bravely exploring the corners of your concern. When worries start to cast shadows, ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen? Our minds often have a talent for painting catastrophic pictures, but here's the reality check. The actual worst-case scenario is rarely as terrifying as our imagination makes it out to be. Facing the worst is like confronting a shadow. It might look scary, but it's just a projection. Once you've faced the worst, something magical happens. The grip of anxiety loosens, and you can start focusing on solutions. It's like turning the flashlight toward a path forward. By shining light on the worst-case scenario, you disarm worry and empower yourself to take positive steps. So, let's grab that mental flashlight, face the shadows, and illuminate the way to practical solutions. Lesson 9. Break the worry habit before it breaks you. Let's talk about a powerful lesson that's like hitting the reset button on our mental habits. Think of worry as a repetitive move. It becomes a habit. But here's the good news. Habits can be changed. To break the worry cycle, replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Imagine it as switching the music from a gloomy tune to an uplifting melody. Breaking the worry habit is about rewiring your brain and creating a more optimistic mindset. It's not about pretending everything is perfect. It's about consciously choosing thoughts that lead to growth and positivity. Lesson 10. Live in daylight, not moonlight. Now, let's wrap up with a lesson that's like opening the curtains to let the sunshine in. It's like choosing to bask in the brightness of positivity instead of being surrounded by the shadows of worry. Picture worries as nighttime thieves trying to steal your sleep. Don't let worries keep you up at night. It's like saying, I'll deal with you in the morning. Resolve to face each day with a fresh perspective. Imagine it as hitting the reset button on your mental clock every morning. Remember, the sun always rises, bringing new opportunities and a chance for a worry-free start. It's like a daily renewal of hope and optimism. So, let's bid farewell to the worries of the night, welcome the dawn of a new day, and embrace the daylight, a space where opportunities bloom and worries fade away. There you have it, the top 10 lessons from How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. If you found these insights helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a little inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal development and well-being. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got the power to stop worrying and start living.